Hello, amazing parents and teachers. Welcome back to our channel, Mitses. Today, we've got an exciting and super educational activity for your kids to understand the concept of tens and ones. Let's dive in. In this activity, we're going to make learning super fun by exploring place value for two-digit numbers 21 to 30. Here's what you'll need: sticks and coins. Simple step. Start with a two-digit number, like 25. Count out 2 sticks for the tens place and 5 coins for the ones place. Arrange the sticks and coins to represent the number. Successes. For 25, you'll have 2 sticks for the tens and 5 coins for the ones. Easy, right? Key learning. This activity helps your little ones grasp the idea of tens and ones in a hands-on way. Parents, teachers, you can do this at home or in class. It's a fantastic way to make learning math an enjoyable experience. If you found this activity helpful and fun, give us a thumbs up, share it with other parents and teachers, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting learning activities. Thank you for being part of the Mitzi YouTube family. Stay tuned for more learning adventures.